Have you ever seen organizations jump straight into launching training programs only to realize later that employees didn't really need them in the first place? The truth is, training is expensive, time consuming, and without the right foundation, it often fails. That is where training need analysis or TNA comes in. Hi, I am Samir Raj. Welcome to Unlock L&D with Samir Raj. In this video, we are going to break down how to conduct an effective training needs analysis step by step so you can build training programs that actually deliver results in workplace. So, what is training need analysis? TNA is simply a structured way to gather data before building a training plan. It tells you who needs training, what kind of training, and whether training is the right solution at all. In our country, where budgets are tight and ROI matters, skipping this step means you risk wasting both time and money. Now, why we should do a training need analysis? Let's look at the benefit. Identifies performance and skill gaps. Helps measure ROI of training programs. Builds management buy-in for L&D investments, and that is very important. Prioritize where training is truly needed. Improves employee morale because learning feels relevant. So instead of training for the sake of training, you are building focused, business-driven solution. Now, the 4-step process for TNA. Step 1. Identify business goals. Start with the end in the mind. Look at company-wide objectives like sales target, service levels, compliance requirements, operational KPIs. Use the KSA model. If the issue is about knowledge, skill, or attitude, training can help. If not, it may be a process, product, or cultural issue. Step 2. Gather the data. Collect information with an open mind. The best methods are like survey and questionnaires. You can use Google Form, SurveyMonkeys, or internal HR tools. Second, leadership interviews. Do interviews with the middle level or senior level managers. You will get a lot of information from them. And third, get information from focus groups like frontline employees or knowledge workers. Other useful methods are like you can do observation, review performance appraisals, test and assessments, employees advisory committee. But the golden rule is use at least 2 methods to avoid bias. Now step 3. Assess training options. Now match your data to the goal. Ask, do the gap relate to knowledge, skill, or attitudes? Are there compliance or regulatory requirements? What hard cost, that is money spent, and soft cost, employees' time, morale, productivity are at the stake? For example, if data shows sales team are missing target, first check, is it a skill gap in negotiation or is it a process issue like product availability? Only if it is a skill gap, you should design a training intervention. Now, step 4, build the training plan. Finally, you are having all the information. Now it's time to design the program. Decide the delivery method, whether it should be in-person workshop or e-learning models or blending learning. Identify trainers, whether it is internal SME or external expert. Set timelines, milestones, and measurement criteria. Visualize data clearly for leadership buy-in. Show them ROI in terms of sales increase, service quality, or compliance scores. There are some ground rules for TNA. Listen carefully. Begin with the end in the mind. Set clear timelines. Diversify data. Use open and closed questions. Always test effectiveness of training, not just attendance. That's wrap up our session on how to conduct an effective training need analysis. Hi, I am Samir Raj and this is Unlock L&D with Samir Raj. If you found this useful, hit like button, drop a comment about your biggest challenge in conducting TNA, and subscribe our channel for more practical L&D insights. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for your watching.